If you're a Kawasaki fan and you definitely like the KX450, you're gonna wanna check this out. So we just got our hands on a 2010 KX450 dirt bike a few months ago. Got the bike converted for our customer and how it's finished. So let's do a walk around and let's check it out, guys. All right, guys, welcome to the channel. So first off, you're gonna look at this and go, man, this thing does not look like a 2010. This bike was super clean. I mean, it was low use. It's always hard to find clean used dirt bikes, but we do our best to pick one that's, you know, not too beat up when we start. So luckily this thing was low use. Everything was in good shape. However, there was some staining on the aluminum. So this bike did get fully torn down. We put the frame into our glass bead cabinet and then we hand scotch brighted it just to get that original shine back on it. Like our other Cowboy build that you just saw about a month ago, went with the modern KX450 seat in plastic. It just gives it that lower seat height. It looks super clean, fit really well. Custom fenders from there with the green. This is the 2020 front number plate. It only made sense to update that and just get it looking good. So as you know from our other videos, this is our front end kit with the billet hub. Of course, our custom swing arm. Now this customer chose to get the disc guard and the billet sprocket guard, so it's always nice having that stuff on there if you're gonna do some trail riding. Now these graphics are also a modern twist. This is very similar to the newer ones, just put on the older style shrouds for the trike build. Thumb throttle conversion. You guys are gonna see that on most of our builds, from big wheels to trikes to, of course, the quad stuff too. I really like the way this one turned out. It's got the OEM seat latch, just pop that down. Seat honestly lifts easier than even the Honda ones. So we don't need a seat post relocator on this one. You're still retaining some of the original mounting hardware on your gas tank. You're using the stock Kawasaki rear latch. This is our complete subframe assembly, as you can see. Very similar to the newer style one that we made. Yeah, super clean. This thing goes right back on, super easy. And I'm doing this one-handed. Just like that. I've got some beadlock wheels here. Customer did choose to go with a colored chain. That is an option. It's not very common, but we can do it. Billet sprocket guard. This one is set up to take the KX450 grab bar. Seems like an act of God to get parts since COVID. Alba did have this in stock, so maybe we'll start making those eventually too, you never know. Yeah guys, folding foot pegs. I don't mean to be repetitive in all these videos, but if you haven't seen them and you're new to the channel, I am gonna repeat myself a lot. Yeah, if you guys like Kawasaki's, you wanna see more of these bad boys, give us a follow, comment what you think. If you guys wanna see KX250 two-strokes, I mean, definitely let me know. We're planning on it. It hasn't been top priority, but if you guys wanna see them or you want one custom built, give us a call, 518-563-3699. You can go to www.bvctrikes.com and check out some trike kits. All right, guys, I think that's about it. I'm gonna head out for the day. Again, let me know what you think in the comments. I'm really digging these Cowies. Thanks, guys.